Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make the classic Victoria sandwich, which will impress all of your family and friends.
Firstly, line the bases of two 20cm tins with butter and baking paper.
In a bowl, cream together your butter and sugar until light, fluffy and doubled in volume.
Next, add the 4 eggs one at a time, making sure to combine them really well between each addition.
Sieve your baking powder and around half of your flour at a time, then fold on a low speed, or you could do this by hand with a spatula.
Then add 1 tablespoon of milk and combine.
Divide the batter evenly between the two tins and then bake at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 22 minutes. Leave them to cool in the tins for 5 minutes and then turn them out onto a wire rack to cool completely. Beat the butter for around 4 minutes till light and fluffy. Sieve in the icing sugar 2 stages at a time and then whip for another 2 minutes. Then add around 1 tablespoon of milk to get to the right consistency.
And there you have it, just with icing sugar for a final flourish.
Yummy!